Hello and welcome to another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventure. We are now on episode 44 and today we're going to look at a beautiful canal tunnel in the heart of the Black Country. We're going to take a look at the Netherton Tunnel. Let's get into the video. I am at deepest, darkest Tipton, to be more precise, Dudley Port, and there's a reason why I'm here, and that reason being is I've got something to show you. Oh yeah, something really cool, something that's right up my street. So I'm sure everybody knows this this aqueduct here, and we know also that Dudley is absolutely teeming in waterways. Well, the whole of the West Midlands is, to be precise. So this is one of the aqueducts here. So that's the Ryland Aqueduct there on the top there. So these steps will take me up onto the canal bed itself. So you can see how high up it is once we've got up these steps. Okay, and this will bring us onto the canal. Okay. And there we are. We're up on the canal bed now. Now you can see here, so this is the aqueduct here, what we're on top of. Quite a modern one in the grand scale of things. And then we got the railway line there and Dudley Station just in view. But we're going to head this way. We're going to head up the cut, and the reason being is because we've got something great up here to show you. Now you can see this boat here in front of us. It's doing a right turn, and that right turn is roughly the direction we are going in. So this is one of the tour boats here that you can see, which takes you underneath the caverns, the Dudley tunnels, but also this one is heading to the location that we're heading to as well. So as we head up the cut, that boat, that little tourist boat there, is going to come in very handy for us very shortly. We aren't too far away now at all. So this spot seemed to be very popular with fishermen, but I suppose it gets a little bit complicated when, especially when you've got one boat coming one way and then one boat coming the other, and they've got these big rods out. In sight you can just see that canal boat there coming out of the darkness there with the light on, and this brings us quite nicely to the Netherton Tunnel, as you can see here. So let's have a little look at it. It's Netherton Tunnel, part of this navigational zone. So it's actually 2,776 metres long, so that's long, and 2.13 metres with a height of 1.98. Okay, now what's unique about this tunnel is most tunnels were built without a towpath, and you have to leg the way through the tunnel, such as the one at Dudley. However, this particular one actually does have a towpath through it, which meant the horses were able to navigate their way through. So just got one coming through now. So you can see we've got a two-way sort of thing here. Obviously we've got the approaching boat barging these lovely old cottages. Just look at them across the road there. They're really nice, but really nice little bit here. And one day we will do a series on these canal navigations, but this guy's coming through now. We are now sort of heading now towards the tunnel itself. Got a few more fishermen here as well. So what we're probably going to do is we're going to wait for that little tourist boat to come along, and then we should be able to follow that through with the light. But if you have a look, You can actually see right at the end there, a little glint of light over there. But if we follow the boat through, we'll have a much better view of it inside. He's just coming through up there, look. So while we're waiting, we'll have a little look at the portal itself. So I've got a little bit of information there. So the Netherton Tunnel was, they've rebuilt it massively by the Waterways Board. So it was open again in 1984, but obviously it's a lot older than that. But look at that portal, that lovely kind of curved sort of brick. Just look at that. That's such a nice piece of brick that is, isn't it? That's just for them, and lovely sort of smooth look about it. It's actually two of those, but actually that's so nice. Like any tunnel, you can hear the water dripping in, the water ingress, etc. So we'll go through when the boat comes through. Oh, he's getting his light on ready there, look. The Netherton Tunnel is a 2,768 metre canal tunnel in the heart of the Black Country. Work started in 1855, and this was the heart of the Britain's Canal Age. The tunnel was completed and opened on the 20th of August 1858, and this vital link connected the canal towns of Tipton and Netherton. The tunnel is 8.2 metres in width and has 2 walkable towpaths. The tunnel allows 2 canal boats to cross at exactly the same time. The tunnel was originally lit by gas lighting, but that was aided by the ventilation shafts. The tunnel cost $302,000 to actually build, and now is enjoyed by many leisure boaters from year to year. Hi guys, I don't know whether you'll be able to see my face or not, but I am actually walking through the Netherton Tunnel in the Black Country, and the light is being provided by a canal boat I'm following through, so that's pretty clever. But tell you what, take a look round. We're going okay, but oh my god, it's literally flooded. I am walking through water, but the end is just, I'm not even going to say it's near. I'm not even going to say the end is near, because it isn't. Although the tunnel portal is actually getting bigger as I approach it. Have a look for yourself. And this is what I'm following through. This little canal boat here, look, there he is. Just coming through, nice LED light there. I don't even know if we're even halfway through yet. But yeah, this is This is epic, this place is. This is one epic long canal tunnel. I wonder if it's the longest canal tunnel in the UK you can actually walk through. That remains to be seen, doesn't it? Well, I'll carry on my journey. Oh my god, there's a big hole here. Whoa, can you imagine coming through here in the dark? You break your neck. We might be finding out, because I am having to come through in the dark and potentially break my neck. At the north portal of the Netherton Tunnel, you will find an area affectionately known as the Bumble Hole. Here you'll find Cobb's Engine House, a scheduled ancient monument. This engine house was built in 1831 and the pumping house was used to remove water from the nearby Wimble End Colliery. The shaft is 525 feet deep and it used to extract over 1,600,000 litres of water each day, and this was emptied straight into the canal. The pump house sits next to the 29 metre chimney, now just a shell of its former self, but a nod to the industrial past. Well, thankfully I am at the other end of the portal now, and yeah, so that is 2,768 metres, and it felt like it, but my god, that is something else in there. I mean, I haven't seen too many people walk through. I've seen a bloke go on his bike, but you can just sort of see the end there, a little glimpse of the end. Anyway, without further ado, I suppose I'd better start my way back, because this is long, okay? Long. On this map you can see the circular route that the canal tours take, and you can see both the Netherton Tunnel and the Dudley Canal Tunnel. Both are sure places for you to visit. Now, I'm walking through this tunnel now, and it's honestly, I've got this light on me now. This phone light. I should have been a bit more organised than this, but my god, it feels weird in here. Literally, I'm the only person in here. The last boat was ages ago, and it takes ages to walk through. But yeah, you just got to keep going, aren't you? I tell you what, that shit you up this wood. I tell you, this ain't for the faint-hearted coming through here. But you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I suppose that's an advantage, isn't it? Let's turn you around and you can see what I can see. Not a lot, eh? Not a lot. You can't see a lot. You can see my camera though, look. There we go. Not a lot. So I'm going to concentrate on the floor really, on what I'm walking in, because parts of this tunnel are quite flooded on the footpath, which is to be expected, you know, but wow. If you're a tunnel fanatic, if you're a tunnel fanatic, this is perfect for you. Well, we are nearing the end of the tunnel now, and well, the other end, so to speak, and that was epic, really. I mean, it's crazy to think that they've got a tunnel this long that you can walk through. That's quite something else, isn't it? So, anyway, let's look at the light at the end of the tunnel, look. There we go. The light at the end of the tunnel. We'll soon be out there with those fishermen again. Well, there you go. There we go. That was the Netherton Tunnel. And, wow, it's actually warmer as you come outside. It's quite cold in there. Anyway, that is definitely worthy of the Monumental selection of videos, isn't it? It's pretty epic in there, but glad I've done it now, and hope you join us on another adventure at some point. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell, because that bell actually tells you when I've got a new video on, and I don't have to annoy you with the @everyone tag on Facebook.